Ang masaya yun, just promise.
Then buksan natin yung azul.
Solid note.
Yung?
Kasi yun talaga yung pinakauna talagang puntahan natin.
Ano alam?
Complete.
Upo ko dito eh.
No, tas after party lang.
60.
Tapos ambagan tayong lahat.
Oo,
For
ambagan
sure,
tayo.
ambagan tayong lahat yan. Para lang may buy pa design.
Yes.
Picture.
Paano natin yan Wow!
Nag-attempt na ako palagi buksan yun pag nagpapaparty ako. Kaso naalala. She's in the sunset.
She can
No.
decide.
She can't decide.
No unity left.
Basta, tol. Okay ka, tol. Okay ka, tol.
Come and lick close.
Go, patol.
You seem like the time.
Ha? Ikaw na yan, no? Ikaw yun eh.
Super duper sensitive. It's like top secret. You okay? Ah! Did I know you, Bianca? At this point, I know you. You seem like the time. I don't know you.
Ano naman yun?
Ano yun? To love and believe. Oh my God.
Ano naman yun?
Mine.
Ano naman yun? He's always mine.
I wish our hearts would come together as one. Kadlo tayo.
Ay, nako.
Ayaw niya nang bumangon. Nalulunod sa lungkot at selos.